you can see it doing that. Now, right now it's on slow mode, but you can actually see the rings coming out. That is actually pretty cool. So it's creating these little circles of mist kind of coming up. Well, now if I press it again, it'll go faster. So this is like a fast mode. And then you have a voice control mode, which is designed to go with music or if someone is talking. Pretty cool. Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at a hip humidifier. This here is the all new Tempo X Submarine, aka the coolest desk gadget, featuring a humidifier that can soothe your mind as it sprays mist rings that match the rhythm of the music that you're listening to. How cool is that? So again, this thing is currently funding right now, so if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And essentially, it's a very unique design on the traditional humidifier, which is probably one of the most boringest things in any household. So together we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it can do. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is what they sent us. Essentially, it looks like a starter kit. I'm not too sure to be exact. So one thing I noticed is that we do have our Tempo X, which is going to be our submarine here. And then I believe this is a Hey Mix character, or the aquanaut, like an astronaut aquanaut. I like that. So this here is going to be our character that will sit inside there. And then it looks like they gave us some stickers too. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So the packaging, pretty cool, very simplistic, very elegant, very trendy. So this includes a water mist outlet, which throws out these rings, a cockpit, a fuel tank for our water tank, an on-off button, a power connect button, and then looks like a water conducting cotton core, interesting, and a mix model. All right, let's open this up. So inside here, sweet, we have our yellow submarine. Look at that. This thing looks so cool. Definitely has like an RC car kind of feel to it. And then we have some covers on this. So one thing I have to say is definitely the quality of it is really nice. You have a lot of different materials. You can see this is where the ring comes out. We have this little cockpit that opens up, and that's where our Hey Mix goes into. The bottom portion over here is where our submarine base or the water base will go into. So that is this guy right over here. Then we have our Hey Mix character. So this is our pre-defaulted Hey Mix character that it comes with. And they did send us an extra one. USB power block and a USB cable. And that is it in a nutshell. So pretty simple stuff. It does come with an extra set of cotton sticks, but there's two already pre-defaulted into here. So once these do go bad, you can go ahead and swap those out. So they do give you extras, which is nice. So this here's our pre-defaulted Hey Mix character. So to kind of give you an idea how it works, you just go simply put them in here, and it's magnetically it'll attach to it just like that. This will enable it to turn it on. Let's take them out. Now they also sent us an additional Hey Mix character, so they have extra ones too. Oh wow, look at this little guy. So this is really cool. So this is like a statue too at the same time. Look at that. That's actually really neat. So the way this works is that if you want to use it as a base, you can use it as a base like this, or you could take it off, and then this will go in here like this. That is so cool. I actually like this one a lot more just because it's a lot more detailed than the other one. And then it's even got like a little lid for its face that can open up too. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, so this here is gonna be our water tank. Let's go ahead and add some water to this and see how this works.
A few moments later.
And then this will go in here. We're gonna plug it in the back like this. Okay, so there's a button here on the back. I'm gonna press it. Oh, look. It's working. Now if I put the character inside. All right, we have an LED. What? That's so cool. I want to turn off the lights to kind of show you exactly what's happening. So right now it's completely off like this, but if I go ahead and turn it on, you'll see this. The light will indicate that it's on, and you can see it doing that. Now right now it's on slow mode, but you can actually see the rings coming out. So it's creating these little circles of mist kind of coming up. And it's actually pretty cool. Now if I press it again, it'll go faster. So this is like a fast mode. And then you have a voice control mode, which is designed to go with music or if someone is talking. So that's pretty neat. And then you also have the capability to change the colors. So if I take out the character, the light will go off. So if I put it back in there again, the color will change. So now we have like a green color. If I take it out again and put it back in again, it'll change it to like a white color. Take it out, put it back again. So it'll cycle through different colors based on what you're looking for. Essentially creates a very unique way of creating a humidifier. I've never seen anything like this before. And it's actually pretty fun, especially with if you're listening to music, you can actually see it kind of going with the beat, which is actually pretty unique. And there you guys have it. So definitely something cool to have, especially if you're looking for something that's a little bit different in terms of humidifiers. I can definitely see this being in someone's like a kid's room or an adult's room to be exact, but makes it a very unique idea or essentially a humidifier that is out of the ordinary.